In fact, the Supreme Court has wrapped the drug licensing panel for the inaction, and the Supreme Court has also sought an explanation over no inquiry. In fact, the Supreme Court has doubted the on-site inspection of the Uttarakhand government body as well, and the top court has demanded details from the on-site inspection. Harish, you can continue what you're saying about this particular action, the inaction, of course, of the Uttarakhand body that we're talking about, and the Supreme Court has wrapped the drug licensing panel. Give us more details as to what exactly the Supreme Court had to say.
Yes, that's right, Ashish. In fact, Supreme Court has pulled up the present joint director of the Uttarakhand Drug Licensing Authority and also his predecessor for not acting on the central and Irish ministry's direction to take action against Patanjali regarding misleading advertisements, and also for staying the advertisement of Coronil during the peak COVID time, despite the center not allowing the advertisement till it was satisfied with the clinical trials. But despite that, it says that the Drug Licensing Authority did not act, despite even the PMO recommending action to the Irish Ministry to be forwarded to the Drug Licensing Authority. Nothing has been done. So Supreme Court has pulled up the Uttarakhand Drug Licensing Authority present joint director and previous joint director for inaction, and also took into record Uttarakhand government's affidavit, which said that 14 after the Supreme Court wrap on 14th April, the licensing authority has suspended suspended in fact licenses of 14 products, and also recommended a criminal filed a criminal complaint in the Chief Judicial Magistrate Court in Haridwar, seeking action against Patanjali, Baba Ramdev, and also Acharya Balakrishnan. So Supreme Court has expressed satisfaction with that portion, but said you have only acted after the Supreme Court wrap, and said that this should not be the situation. You should suo motu take action. Also act when a complaint is comes to you, and not wait for the Supreme Court to comment. So very stormy hearing once again, very crucial hearing as far as the Patanjali contempt case is concerned, and the next date of hearing, Ashish, will be on May 7th. Back to you.
Absolutely, Harish, like you rightly pointed out, a very, very big day at the Supreme Court, a very stormy session as well, and the Supreme Court talking tough as far as this hearing is concerned. And of course, three different matters that we're talking about, but the tone of the Supreme Court remains the same. Of course, no matter which body it is, they'll have to comply, else face the action by the top court. Appreciate you joining us on the broadcast there with all those details.